Hello everyone, I'm Sogand. Welcome to this video with me. Today we make different video of meditation. When you do this meditation, you can give special feelings. At first, close your eyes and stay in good situation. Imagine the best place and to lie down. In your mind, imagine peace all of the world. Continue to this imaging. Again, imagine the calm of the light. That it received light from the sun. This light crosses your body and inside your hand and vessel. Because of this light, you can manage your body. After that, image the fair circle. This circle can be created abundance in your life. For this imaging, the people help together like brother and sister and family, and they live in the peace and quality. When you think about this topic, you can get a lot of positive energy. In the last part, with wish peace of people another country. You can do the meditation with together and alone. We recommend you do the meditation for 15 minutes and maybe more than. So maybe you don't know, but everywhere you think about it, your energy is there. So you should just think about good piece of life. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks guys. See you to next time. Have a nice time.